everybody, this is Smiley with Salem FSX. Wanted to show you the new 2022 280 RT. Let's go take a look. All right, in our new kitchen, we've increased our overhead storage space by consolidating down to our new convection microwave. Still the same 3-burner glass top stove with a cover, and our farmhouse 15-gallon sink, along with our 11 cubic foot Everchill 12-volt fridge. Here we see our new optional stow and load quad bunk seating and storage system. This is a new addition for 2022. Here you see it in seating configuration. Here you see it in our quad bunk sleeping situation. And here you see it, everything stowed up so you can still put your toys in the back, no problem. New for 2022 is our upgraded patio railing kit, which sets up quicker, easy install, also moves out of the way, stores quickly, and gets completely out of the way for loading your toys. Also included on this 280 RT is our new extended power package, which includes our 190-watt solar panel, permanently mounted on the roof, 30-amp controller, and our double battery tray.